Welcome back, guys, to another video of a challenge of free code camp section called React. And in this one we're going to be doing the exercise how to create a stateful component in React. Okay, so I want you to remember that one of the most important topics in React is state, and it consists of any data that your application needs to know about that can change over time. You want your apps to respond to state changes and present an updated UI when necessary. React offers a nice solution for the state management for modern web applications. Alright, so you need to create state in a React component by declaring a state property on a component class in its constructor, nowhere else in its constructor. Okay, and this initializes the component which state when it is created. Right, so the state property must be set to a JavaScript object, and this is how you have to declare it. So this dot state and equals an open and close curly braces, which is a JavaScript object here. Alright, and also you need to access your state object throughout the life of your component. You can also update it, render it in your UI, and pass it as props to the child components. The state object can be complex or as simple as you need it to be. But you need to know that you must create a class component by extending React.component in order to create state like this. Alright, so it gives us an exercise over here, and which says that there's a component in the code editor that is trying to render a name property from its states. So it's talking about this component, stateful component, and that extends the React component and is returning the name from the state. But obviously now we don't have the state initialized, so we're going to initialize the states over here. Alright, so it says that initialize the component with state in a constructor. This is our constructor here, and assign your name to a property of name. Alright, so I'm gonna initialize the state of it. So this dot state, and then name would be in a JavaScript object, and property will be the name, and I want to set it to my name because that's our requirement over here. Alright, so assign your name, and let's do this. Alright, cool, and that should be really, see, the name has already appeared here. Alright, I'm going to run the test and see if it passes, and it does. Don't hurt him, hammer. Yes, we're killing it, guys. Alright, I really hope you understood the concept behind setting the state and creating it as well. And if you have any questions in regards to this, feel free to leave me a comment below, and I'll make sure I'll go back to you as soon as I can. Until then, have fun practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.